Hi, I'm Zach here, and today we're wiring a traditional doorbell. What we've got is your traditional doorbell with a chimer. We're running off a 15 amp circuit with 14.3 wire, even though 14.2 is only required. We have a 15 amp breaker, which is hot. You can see from my service panel, operating off circuit number 5. Coming down here, we're using Romex. Romex per code is needed to be strapped 12 inches from any box or junction box. And then from there, every 4.5 feet. So we're coming through center of the stud so that way no drywall screws can intrude in it. Coming up, my Romex is coming through the ceiling, up through here, down around to a J box, which is then wired to my transformer. It's a 120 volt to 16 volt transformer. From there, I have 18.2 fire alarm cable running through 1/2 inch EMT, strapped accordingly to code every 3 feet and every 10 from 3 feet from a box and every 10 feet in between straps. However, for this example, it's just there to help it be solid, rather holding the pipe. Coming through down here, coming back around the stud in the center, coming into my chime. So I have a transformer lead coming from, which is my red, in the middle saying transformer. My black line is then spliced and it's connected to my doorbell. My doorbell red line is then connected to my front chime designated. If I hit the doorbell, as you can see it's illuminated with the light, it shall chime. Pizza's here, awesome. So this is how you wire a traditional doorbell. These days, people do have rings and other smart devices to be able to, see and hear, as well as, being alerted that someone's at your door. But in the instance of this, it's just a simple traditional doorbell to a chimer. So once again, if I push it again, we're live. So 14.3, only using 14.2 Romex, coming from our 15 amp circuit breaker all the way up and over, cross to my junction box, spliced inside, as you can see through the holes, and then to a 16 volt transformer. So it's a step down from 120 volts to 16 volts, going through a 1/2 inch EMT, all the way down through the center of my stud to my chimer. Once again, I got my lead, my positive rather, coming to my transformer. My negative then comes to my doorbell, and then my positive from my doorbell goes to the front. I'm Zach. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please go ahead and hit it up. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks again for watching.